Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to download and install new themes and skin for your Windows 11. So for this guys, just you need to open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11. So after opening the Microsoft Store guys, just you can easily download and install new themes for your Windows 11. So some amazing and beautiful theme I will suggest you. As you can see, this is the list of amazing themes for your Windows 11. So this list I will give in my video description box. Also you can easily find out from there. So just you need to download and install the themes from Microsoft Store. After download and install guys, what you need to do, now you want to apply this theme on your Windows 11. To apply this guys, open your Windows 11 settings. To open the Windows 11 settings guys, you can use the shortcut key, hold Windows key and press I, and in the Windows settings from the left panel you can get the option personalization. Just click on it and here you can get all your theme which you have downloaded from your Microsoft Store. Just if you want to apply, just click on that theme and the theme will apply on your Windows 11. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to download new themes for your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.